Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Violet back here. Wow, this video is gonna be so different. I'm like scared but excited, you know, like, I don't know, I'm just like, I'm so happy. Okay, wow, this is like a new thing for me. I'm just so happy. Okay, this is such a different video to my channel. I'm doing a collab with Morgen Meredith. Come on here, Morgen. So, I'm doing a collab with Morgen, and Morgen, what are we going to be doing?
Our baking tutorial.
Tutorial. Okay. We've been having a really funny day, so in case we laugh out of nowhere, I'm so sorry.
Yeah?
You can head off in the kitchen now. I'm going to explain more.
Yes.
So, I can't believe I'm doing a collab with Morgen. We've been friends for a while now, but I'm like so excited. So, I don't know which type of collab to do, so I'm just like, why not a baking tutorial? So, if you guys want to see this baking tutorial, then keep on watching.
Okay.
Let's get started. We start with this.
What else?
Not sponsored kiddos. Okay. We're doing apple to stand, you guys have that. Okay, let's read this. Okay. We need 2 eggs and vegetable oil. Do you know what that looks like? 2 eggs and vegetable oil. Well, I'm going to place.
There's 2 eggs.
Should we like back it up? I'll back it up.
Yeah, back it up.
That's good.
Yes. Yep, that's enough. Yep, that's good. 2 eggs and oil. That's all set.
We... Your hair's tied up, yeah, that's good. Ooh, it's really...
Yes. So one of them recorded.
That is usually mine.
Yeah.
I don't know where mine went.
Oh, this one's 2. This one's so small. Okay, I'm kind of doing one. Your one's at the top, right?
No, because I have to tie it a little bit at the top because it's,
Do you need your mic bit?
because it's way back. Okay. I don't... Oh, this is the caramel. The caramel, okay. So we got the chocolate, the caramel. Yep. 2 eggs, olive oil. Mix it up. Yep.
And another.
Oh, we don't need those. Those are the other ones. I think we need these ones. Yep. Morgan's like already. Yes. Hey, we'll put these 2 in there. Yep. Okay, let's put on the oven again. I'm glad it's not.
Yes. Not going to touch it at all. I'm going to bring it here, and you can have your bowl. Oh, you've been doing that. Food tech knows.
Yeah, that's very good.
Okay. Okay. That's right. Okay. What do we start with? 2 muffins. Doing it.
Okay, cut that open. That is up here. So it's up there.
Where should I cut
Water.
it? Here.
Anyway, half a cup of...
Open it.
Is it really good? So I probably... For the final thing, but I'm so sorry that we didn't record anything else. It just, we got storage deleted. Morgan, are you okay?
Yes.
You seem really
I
sad.
am fine.
We're so sad, but okay. So we finished them. They look really burnt in the thing. Maybe turn on the light. There's like lights on the side there. But yeah, it's really...
Which one is it?
Just try all of them. Okay, not that one. Not that one.
Yes.
There's those 2.
Oh.
We need these 2 honey buns.
Yes.
Yes. It looks still a bit burnt, but it's brown.
That's us baking. That's us baking. Baking. Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
It's
Let's put it in heaps.
it's
There's something burning in there.
you need to take out the
I can smell something burnt in there.
What are you cooking? That's why.
Morgan, are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. Indeed.
Cool. So, yeah, placing it in.
Did you want to turn it on now?
No, about like half an hour ago, I think. So, yeah. I don't know why it wasn't working.
Please just getting a video.
So, we need to wait 15 to 20 minutes, kiddos. 15 to 20 minutes. And then, while we're waiting, we're going to make biscuits. Maybe. Brain.
I mean,
Wait, what did you just
brain.
say? What did you just say?
Bran, I mean wheat bran. These are biscuits we're making.
Go get all these ingredients, Morgan. Wait, all of these ones? Go get all of these ingredients. Okay. Yes, she's getting all the ingredients. We need to...
Okay,
This one?
these are the ingredients, and I have got the butter. That's cooking. We got this butter. I don't have to do it. I have to reach up.
You need to slap it
Sorry.
here and there.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. I thought there was my beer in there.
Yeah, there's glass. If you
Oh,
look
yeah.
at the top.
Oh yeah, that's it.
I washed that. You're not kidding me.
No.
You're not kidding me. Hilarious. Hilarious. Do we have a hill anywhere? No, we do.
No, you don't have a hill.
Sandy Heights. Kiddos. Wait, should we measure it maybe? Okay, open up the left thing. And that is baking, so we cannot. Cream butter and sugar until they're very extremely hard to cut. Let's get Morgan to try to cut this.
Okay, I'll try and see if I can cut it or not.
Morgan, do you think you can do it?
I think I can do it. Yes.
If you can't, well, we're gonna like warm up that with my hands and be like yeast.
Yep. I'm making these biscuits here.
Get it up to 150, which is probably get it up to there. Cut that off.
Yeah, there.
There, yeah. Try to get that. While doing guys. Oh! See, I told you it does that. Oh my gosh, we'll be back after the break. Okay, so the butter's done, but
Yes.
my hand hurts. That is after the knife. You guys see that? Wow, that is painful.
Yes.
Right, so
okay.
we need to melt the butter
Melt the butter into a
into a liquid. Not a liquid, but a mushy mixture.
Mushy.
But not like some of it can be liquid and others
Can be not.
Yeah, yeah. So, and put that in for like 30 seconds. But click the stop button, then click the start button.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then this is a 9 minute.
Did you check the muffins? No. No, we haven't. We're just making the other one now.
Do the 2 eggs.
Okay. 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Add this one.
Maybe I should make look at what? Oh yeah, they're done. The cupcakes are done. Nom, 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 nom.
Look at those.
Whoa. That looks so cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You know, we're fine, right? We're good. He looks at me nervously. Okay.
Let's go.
We're gonna put the cookies on the cookie thing. We're gonna put the cookies. It's not focusing. Okay. So we're gonna put the cookies on. Yee.
On there.
And that's how it turned out. Morgan, how do you feel about this?
Good. And happy that I helped you. I thought it wasn't being fun.
So yeah, we're just heating this up right now. Well, not heating up, but yeah. We're getting the oven ready for that. That is not ready. Just sorry. That has been done, which is great. What are you? Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I really, really appreciate it. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button or thumbs down and comment down below what I should post next because I'm out of ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to Morgan's YouTube channel because she posts amazing content, but she needs to post a bit more. She only has 3 subscribers and I'm trying to grow her channel. I am being her like support partner thingamajig. I'm speechless, but okay. So yeah, I will see you guys when I next post. Bye! Stuff up. Kiddos. Morgan, are you okay?
Yes.
Morgan, you laughed in it. I didn't. Yes, you did. Okay, pause it.
Morgan! Oh my gosh. I didn't even start talking.
Okay, you can pause it now.
Okay, restart.
Okay.